Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by listening in context and solo. Make sure levels match your reference so you're comparing equal loudness. Next, engage a gentle high pass at about 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble. You do this because bass mud hides clarity. Then use a narrow bell with +6 to +12 dB and sweep to find honk, boxiness, or harsh peaks. Note each frequency. Once found, reduce with a cut rather than boosting elsewhere. Once you've removed problem areas, shape the character. Cut around 200 to 500 Hz to remove boxiness. Use a moderate Q and small reductions so you don't hollow the guitar. If it needs presence to sit in the mix, add a gentle wide boost between 2 and 5 kHz. This helps attack and clarity. For warmth, a subtle low-mid lift around 100 to 250 Hz can help, but make sure the bass guitar and kick have room. Automate or solo to confirm decisions. Finish by a bing the EQ at full mix level so you hear real impact. Small moves often translate better than big boosts. If a frequency only bothers at loud passages, use dynamic EQ or multi-band compression to tame it only when needed. If your guitar masks vocals or another instrument, try narrow cuts on the conflicting track, subtle panning, or sidechain EQ to create space. If things still clash, revert recent change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.